Are you ready for a juicy reveal in the sphere of reality TV? Picture this: a bustling city skyline shimmering against the sunset as Married at First Sight gears up for an unexpected twist. Enter stage left, Carina Mirabile, not just any Perth influencer, but a social media sensation with that singer fit for a screen grab. And secondly, Sock Sykes to join his spell at powers of also meeting Assume, that second sense, that in Not the Time, and the second soon, and also second power, the details of the power marketing. She's also protege of short films, adding a dash of Hollywood into the mix, making the viewers curious to see her flair on the show. And as whispers spread about her vibrant nature, described by friends as loud, fun, and swift to the chase, we glimpse sneak peeks of her stunning style capture my hearts at a Sydney Hens celebration. Could Carina be the missing ingredient that turns Peen fan matchmaking into a made-for-television masterpiece? And the buzz doesn't go unnoticed, with Love fans and sitcom superfans already weighing in and threatening to boycott, complaining that MAFS is losing its essence. They yearn for a return to its roots, a platform where the ordinary meets passion, a call for more than just shiny faces from the screen. As we ponder this shift, it becomes clear that reality TV is craving a balance between digital stardom and real connections. So, dear viewer, would you subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the unfolding story? It's a battle between authenticity and entertainment, and we can't wait to see how Carina's story unfolds. As we close this tale, remember, life truly is a wild ride when it comes to love and reality TV. Thanks for joining this fascinating journey, and let's see how the story goes next time on The Curious World of MAFS 2025. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time.